So this just came in. It's from eBay. I want to give credit to the seller if this actually works out to be pretty good. So according to the feedback and everything, he does a really good job in restoring these players. So this is, so what I've started doing recently is converting 8mm VHS and photos to digital. So this is the 8mm. This is how it comes. It's supposed to be a restored, completely restored, everything switched out video 8mm player. It looks in really good condition. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but it looks really good. I had a camera. I was converting with a camera, but the camera went kaput, stopped working. So there was a job I had, about 50 videos, and I was unable to do it. So this is his information, the SONY doctor. He's in Pennsylvania. Delivery was a couple of days. This is the cable. This is all the inputs and the outputs. So I'm gonna probably be using these. It's mono, I guess. I wish it would have been stereo, but you know, I'm converting old digital. So I'm gonna be using the line in. Or is it going to be the line out? No, the line out, because this will go to my computer. And I'll be using this to convert 8mm videos. So I just wanted to show you the condition that it came in. Came very well wrapped. Very, very good wrapping. I like that. I received 3 hard drives and it barely had one of these. And one of the drives are not working. As for the player, it came very well wrapped. It cost $300. And I'm hoping, you know, it's an investment because I'm looking to make my money back when I convert videos. It has a 90-day warranty. And I bought an extended square trade 1-year warranty for an additional, I think it was $20 or $30. See video 8. And I'm gonna try it out. See how it works. Okay, so I have my assistant helping me with measuring the cable. And the cable is going to measure... Okay, you're holding it there? Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. Okay, you can let it go now? Okay. You can let it go. Almost 74 inches, just above 6 feet. The actual device itself measures, let me get up close. Uh, 7 inches. Oh, let me just show it on the video. From here to here, it's 7 inches. And from top to bottom is 9 3/8 inches. Okay. So I'm hoping that this works. I love transferring people's videos, as those tapes, if you keep them too long stored and they're not stored in the right temperature, they'll degrade. I've done this for free for many people, and their family and friends. Their videos get crumbled up and break, and they just get all messed up. So, you know, if you're not storing them, if you're storing them in a damp basement or a dry basement, it's not good, and you should transfer them to digital as soon as you could. Let's try it out and see how it works. I have a family member who's bringing me about 50 tapes, and I'm gonna see how well it works, and I'm hoping it works well. And if it does, I'm gonna end up buying another one as a backup, because it's always good to have one of these around The video 8mm players are really hard. You have to buy a whole camera for it, and the cameras end up breaking after you've played, I don't know, 1,000 videos. It just ends up, you know, something happens inside. There's nothing you can do. It's just, there's dozens and dozens of them being sold on eBay because they no longer work. So I'm hoping that this restored video player does the job, and it does the job for a really long time. Okay, let's try it out. So I just got a job. They gave me, I got about, I'm gonna say about 20-30 tapes of these, and I just finished it up, and I used the recorder to do it. It was very simple to use. This is the recorder I got. I showed the unboxing of from eBay from, I believe his name is Dr. SONY. And he did a great job. I was so impressed with the first one that I got and how well it played and how good it looked, like in the condition that it was in for an old device. You press play. It played, it rewind, it did everything. And hold on one moment. I think it's rewinding. Yep, that's what it is. Rewinding. I just stopped it. I'm just gonna play. So I'm playing it now. So let me see what the. So as you can see, the rewind works. I'm rewinding it right now. The fast forward, everything works. When it gets, it's at the end of the video, so when it gets to the video where it shows video, because right now I'm at the end of it, this should start moving. See, yep. Because it was all the way at the end of the video, so it was about 5-10 minutes in the, you know, of playing the video, and a lot of these players would just stop keeping count. It knew that there was no video on it, that there was no recording on it. So now it's playing. I'm not going to be able to show you any video from the person I'm doing this for, as I have no permission to show you that, but I'm going to show you that it is working, and it's working just fine. I'm using the Elgato video capture USB device, which works just fine through RCA or composite video and audio through USB 2.0. So this is the actual software itself. Double click it. That I'm using. I also have Elgato, I have another one. You click continue. So I'm gonna fast forward it. You'll just see blue video. Hold on. And you see the numbers. Everything's working just fine. I ended up buying another 2 of these. I was so impressed on how well it worked. I really want to be ready for the future when no one has one of these. So let me play it now. Since it went to 0, nothing will play. You'll see zeros on it. That means nothing's playing. As you can see, it's playing, but there's no signal. Believe you me, it is playing. If I click continue, no signal, but it is actually playing. It's working well. So Dr. SONY from eBay, thank you so much. I really like the player. Again, I bought another 2 from him. I've had some email correspondence with him, and he seems like a stand-up person via his emails. And if you're looking for a player, I would suggest going to him if he has any left. Purchase from him. I have 3 of them now. Okay, I hope the video helps. Thank you. Bye.